This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Goldman. Beautiful, well-maintained 2-bedroom, 2-bath home located in Heather Hills, a quiet, active 55-plus community. Extra space abounds with a large Florida room and 2 storage sheds. New roof installed in 2017 and new AC in 2016. Private and serene backyard with new wood fencing. New bay windows and curtains. Just minutes away from the Gulf Coast's world-renowned beaches and plenty of shopping. Furnishings seen in photos and lawn equipment may be negotiated to be sold as a turnkey, move-in ready home. Enjoy an active lifestyle at Heather Hills with an extensive activities calendar plus shuffleboard, clubhouse, picnic area, and library. For more information, review the details below or contact Goldman at 941-565